Hey yo! Hi everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please consider to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to update for our new videos.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's video we're going to cook again, and our recipe is China's tofu.
Let's go!
So sisilipin natin si Ka-Pemper Moms dahil siya magluto ngayon. Okay, tingnan natin ang ating kawali. Lagay natin ang ating mantika, 2 tablespoons. Ayan. Susutayin po natin ang ating bawang. Giniling po ang gagamitin. Yamami tayo ng diced chicken. Chicken breast. Slice natin. Ayan, hayaan natin siyang kumulo. Para medyo maanghang, lagyan po natin siya ng pepper powder. Chili powder, sorry. Chili powder. Hindi po siya pepper powder, chili powder. You have to put some iodized salt. A little bit iodized. Ito po, totoong black pepper powder. dapat po, siling na buyo, ang ginamit ko is chili powder. Para hindi siya masyadong anghang. So, ngayon po, i-add natin yung ating main ingredient. Ilan po natin siya ng rice. Halo at baka madurog ang ating tofu. So, ayan. Kunting kulo na lang then luto na ang ating trinas tofu. Okay, mga ka-pepper, luto na po ang ating trinas tofu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you.
Hi mga ka-pepper! Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And kung may mga recipes po kayo na request, please let us know. Comment down